Hi friends, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Myself Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss lesson 6, Introduction of HTML part 2. So let's start this video. Starting Notepad. Notepad is the standard text editor that comes with the Microsoft Windows operating system. To start Notepad in Windows 9 XP, follow the steps given below. Click on the Start button, locate on your Windows taskbar. Next step, click on Programs and then click the Directory menu labeled Accessories. Next step, locate the shortcut Notepad and click the shortcut Watch. When you follow these steps, you open Notepad where you write HTML code, and after that you save HTML code and run on a browser. Edit, save and view cycle. Third, in the open dialog box, click on the browse button and locate your web document. Step 4, click OK once you have selected your file. The web browser will load the same documents but with the new revisions. This process is edit, save and view cycle. Means when you create your document on Notepad, then you can view through these steps on a browser. Setting document properties. Document properties are controlled by attributes of the body element. Means within the body you can insert all activity of your web page. For example, here there are color settings for the background color of the page, the document text and different states of links. Means within the body you can manage, set color settings, background color of the page, document text, format, size, each and everything managed within a body element. Next one, the headings. For heading, inside the body element, heading statements H1 to H6. H1 to H6 are generally used for major divisions of the document. Headings are permitted to appear in any order, but you will obtain the best results when your documents are displayed in the browser if you follow these guidelines. First one, H1 should be used as the highest level of the heading, H2 as the next highest, and so further. Means you should not skip heading level. Means you can follow heading H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Here the examples you can better understand. Here write the HTML code, HTML head, title close, head close, body open, H1. Heading first, H1 close, H2, heading 2, H3, H6, H6. Body close and HTML close. Here you see heading first is a larger size compared to the heading 2, as it is larger heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 and heading 6 is the smallest. So here H1 to H6 and H1 is the largest size and H6 is the smallest size compared to the H1, H2, H3 and H4. So this one is the heading command in HTML. Next is the paragraph. Paragraph allow you to add text to a document in such a way that it will automatically adjust the end of the line to suit the window size of the browser in which it is being displayed. Each line of text will stretch the entire length of the window. Means paragraph tags are used to give any text, any line within a paragraph and adjust within the browser. Means both sides of left and right margin are same, then you can use a paragraph tag HTML document. Here you can easily to understand paragraph P1, H2 heading, paragraph P2. So here given for a paragraph for a proper lining of both sides, left and right side. But here heading 1 left here and right here. But paragraph are both, when you use a paragraph tag, both sides left and right side are equal. But here heading 2, heading 3 are minimized. Left is a proper place, but right place are not proper, not equal. So you can use a paragraph for equal distance of both sides. Break. Line break allow you to decide where the text will break on the line or continuous to the end of the window. Break BR statement, a break statement is a empty statement. They do not use in the form of container tag. So a BR is an empty element, meaning that it may contain attributes but it not contain content. The BR element does not have a closing tag, only opening tag. So this type of tag is called the empty element, empty tag. Here example of a BR statement, BR tag. Here use line 2 to BR line 3. So here line 2 and line 3 are moved to the next line, because here right in one line, but BR tag is used to break the line. Horizontal rule HR. The HR tag element causes the browser to display a horizontal line rule in your document. HR does not use a closing tag. HR also a empty tag, and HR tag is used only for a horizontal rule of a particular line. So you can use in your HTML document HR for a horizontal rule. Background color. It is very common to see web pages with their background color set to white or some other color. Means when you open your internet page, you can see a different types of background color of web page. So to set your document's background color, you need to edit the body element by adding the BG color attributes. The following example will display a document with a white background color. So you write HTML code body BG color equal to, here the code color code, and after that close the body. You can also write within a bracket white, green, blue, yellow, also accept. And when you write color code also accepted. So you can use body BG color to add background color of your web page. Bold, italic and other character formatting element. In HTML you can use bold, italic and underline. When you are give bold, then you are write tag open B, write the word and close the tag B. As it is for italic, you open I and close I tag. Underline, you open U and close U. Means this one is the bold, italic and other character formatting element. And you want to font size. Then you give a font size +2, 3, 4, 5 according to your requirement. Then after that you close the font, because this is the container tag. So you can give font size of a particular line and word. Alignment. Some alignment have attributes for alignment. Short form align. Example headings, paragraph and horizontal rules. The three alignment are value are left, right and center. In HTML you can use three types of alignment: left, right and center. You use center open and center close. You will center element. So you can also use left, right, but alignment is a container element when you are open and then you close. So alignment is performed on your work. After that, homework. Question first, what do you understand by attributes in HTML? Question number second, explain the paragraph tag and its attributes. Question number 3, what is the significance of bg color attributes of the body tag? Question number 4, what is the significance of br tag? Question number 5, which tag are used to apply the bold, underline and italic property to the text? Hopefully you understand all content of this video. If you face any problem, call me my number 8840 156170. Thank you.